So a few days ago, I put out a video talking about the benefits of the floor standing speaker versus the bookshelf speaker. And that generated a lot of comments, which I was very, very excited to read. And most of the comments were, hey, but the bookshelf speaker has all of these other benefits. And so I decided to do another video where I actually talk about the benefits of the bookshelf speaker. So let's get to it. Here we are, I'm standing here with my bookshelf speakers. This is a pair of Klipsch RP-150Ms. In my home theater, I'm actually using these and another set of these as my side surrounds and rear surrounds. My front speakers, my front left and right, are Klipsch RP-150M. So they're all from the same line. So they're all from the same manufacturer, same line, that's good. So let's move on, let's talk about the benefits. The first benefit of the bookshelf speaker when compared to the floor standing speaker is the price. Oftentimes when you look at manufacturer's line, you'll notice that a pair of bookshelf speakers will be cheaper than a single floor standing speaker. So from that standpoint, that's a huge benefit. The next benefit deals with the price advantage. If you decide to purchase the bookshelf speaker over a floor standing speaker, you're going to have money left over. And with that money, you can use that to purchase additional speakers. Now there's one speaker in particular that you need to purchase, and that is a subwoofer. And the reason why we say that is because floor standing speakers have greater frequency response than bookshelf speakers. They have a little bit more bass or a little bit more low end frequency than a bookshelf speaker, and you're gonna want to get that back. And the way to get that back is to buy a subwoofer or multiple subwoofers, which is what many of you mentioned in the comment section of the previous video. And the final benefit we'll talk about in the price category is price versus performance. Because you can purchase a pair of these for oftentimes cheaper than you can purchase a pair of floor standing speakers, you can add additional speakers like we talked about, the subwoofer or other speakers like that, and really up the performance game of your home theater system. So from that standpoint, it's a pretty big win. The next benefit we're going to talk about is versatility. Due to its smaller size when compared to a floor standing speaker, bookshelf speakers can be placed in a lot of different places. You can put them on tables, you can put them on a bookcase, you can put them on counters, dressers, all over the place. So you can actually just almost put it just about anywhere you want to. And the good news is when you decide to upgrade your system, you can take your really awesome speakers from today and put them in a spare bedroom. So those are just a few benefits of the bookshelf speaker. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment. Consider supporting us at patreon.com/hometheaterhobby or use that Amazon link in the description below. We'll talk to you next time.